SABC News reporter Abongile Yankees is at the Mqesha Great Place in the Eastern Cape for the funeral of the late AmaRharhabe Queen Noloyiso Sandile, which is currently underway. And we cross over to him right now. Abongile, a very good morning to you. Thanks for joining us. Keep us up to date with what's happening now.
Well, yes, Simpiwe, the funeral is still underway here, where speaker after speaker has been describing the Queen as someone who was really down to earth and very, very humble. Her children paid a moving tribute to her, saying that even though that she was someone who was known to the outside world, she still made time for them to spend time with them. They say they don't regret that she was just this public figure. She touched a lot of lives, and that's how they'll remember her. But to tell us more now on the memories that he had with the Queen, I'm now joined by the Premier of the province, Oscar Mabuyane. Premier, a very good morning to you. Indeed, a sad day today for the province. What memories do you have with the Queen?
Good morning, Janjis. Good morning to you and good morning to viewers at home. I knew the Queen, and I've been in a constant interaction on a number of programs that were actually bringing government into this kingdom. Indeed, she was a very humble, down-to-earth person, very stable, and she brought that stability as well. She brought that unity in the House of Palo. As you can listen to speakers after speakers speaking about the contribution that she has made, she indeed brought that decorum that you needed in a kingdom. And I just hope that many would have actually seen that we need this unity amongst our people. We need this unity in our kingdoms. We need the unity in our communities. So the leadership that you need, it's that kind of a leadership that make people a priority. And she was that kind of a person, as she has been described. We've been around here, we've been visiting the family, we've been working with the family on a number of occasions. Indeed, we have lost a very important person in this part of our province, in this AmaRharhabe kingdom. Her contribution indeed was actually unparalleled. We would wish to see that continuity in terms of leadership to be provided. She leaves us at a time when our people really are in need of the leadership that understand the meaning of selflessness and the leadership that understand the meaning of sacrifice. She has been always there for her people, and we believe that kind of stability that she brought here, kind of systems, and that she actually instituted in this kingdom will actually continue sustaining this kingdom, playing this kind of a very influential and significant role in the bigger society out there.
Premier, what plans does government have to ensure that her legacy lives on? You'll remember that speaker after speaker inside there, she has been described as a pioneer of community development. The residents, whilst we were here on Thursday, they were saying that she was about to build a clinic for them and some other service delivery related issues that she was still attending to. But it's just said that her life had to be taken away. So how do we preserve her legacy as government? How do you plan to keeping her name revived and alive?
We'll discuss that with the kingdom moving forward. In government, there are norms and standards. Yes, there could be such ambitions and wishes in individual leaders, but we've got to comply with what norms and standards are actually telling us. The only thing that we can now appreciate and probably say is to celebrate her legacy, a very good legacy that she's leaving behind, but also express our sincere word of gratitude to the family here. I think the family to go out public at a time when COVID-19 has brought about stigma amongst our people is actually something special on its own. We are here to educate people. The leadership that has been provided here is a commendable one from a government point of view. So we are together in fighting this virus. So this kind of a legacy that includes that kind of leadership that she provided. So as government, we will work together with Kingdom as we've been doing. Definitely there can't be a vacuum here, and she actually reproduced. Yeah, she actually multiplied herself in this community as well as in this kingdom. So definitely there can't be a vacuum moving forward. We'll be able to have such kind of programs where we will be working together in ensuring that we develop people around here.
Well, thanks a lot, Premier, for your time. I understand that you still need to go inside and give a note or two there. Well, Premier, Simphiwe, that was the Premier of the province, Oscar Mabuyane, sharing his memories about the late Queen.